Hello everyone. Okay, in this episode I have two of these left Joycons. They're both spinning. This one is doing it really bad. This is for a Fortnite Switch, and I mean in Minecraft my character just spins and spins. This one is the original one that I got with my system. I am really nervous about taking them apart, but I guess I'm going to have to, so let me get some tools out. And, oh, I can't see where to pause this. Alright, I have two things. First, I'm just going to try doing the business card. This is from Mammoth Lion Creations. I can't remember what we got from them, but thank you for your business card, and hopefully it'll be put to good use tonight. I got the tools with these two. Let me see. Oh no. These are the covers. Okay. Probably use one of those for that yellow one. Where are they? Oh, here they are. I guess I got one. I got one joystick or thumbstick to replace, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to see if I can take it apart and go from there. I don't like these ones that you have to peel off, mainly because they both stay the exact same side, size across, and I always then still can't get the thing open. Alrighty. Oops, sorry. Yeah, it's the regular Y. Huh. This is to take a screen off, I guess. Well, it appears the Y screws for the Joy-Cons are a 2.0. Hopefully this just comes apart. It appears the biggest part of this controller is the battery. Well, that's nice to know. Well, I hope it's only the 5 screws. And I have a 1.5 and a 2.0 Phillips. Seems like the 2.0 could be the right one, I hope. Oh, we got 2 different sizes too. Wonderful. Oh, you know what? I don't think I had to take that one out. It was just these 3. Probably because those are all the same color. Let me see. Ooh, they sent me this really nice set of tweezers, so let's see if I can lift this up. My issue here is going to be the flex circuit for the switch. Okay, so this is my thumbstick. So I'm supposed to put a piece of paper here? Okay, well, let me get it cut out and I'll put it there and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I cut it out. What I had to do is put a little piece of tape on the other side to keep it from falling off. I don't know, this seemed a little bit hokey to me. But, oh, let me put this one screw back in, since I didn't really need to take it out. I wonder if LB was the inspector, and I wonder if that solder joint was bad, and that's why there's an X there. I'm not feeling the drop on these, so I hope I'm not cross-threading. I'm also not screwing them in too tight. As soon as I feel them stop, I'm stopping. I'm not trying to force them in or anything. Alright, those 3 screws are in. And here's the piece of tape that I had over it. You temporarily hold it in place while it over and screwed the screws in. So that was a lot less painless than what I was imagining it was going to be, which is why I haven't done these yet. I also have an Xbox One controller that is now drifting. I have a theory on that though. It didn't start drifting until I started seeing videos about fixing the drift in your controller, and with these last couple updates on the Xbox One, I just wonder if maybe they actually programmed something into it to make it do that so that you'd buy a Series X. I don't put it past big companies to do things like that, which is why I say that. I really hope I'm wrong, but it didn't start drifting. Like I said, I had no problems until after an update. And it was after I had seen the videos starting to pop up on YouTube about fixing your Xbox One controller. Everything seems to have gone back okay. This one is just a little bit apart, and I expected that because of the thickness of the business card. But it did still tighten down. We'll have to let this charge up and see if it works then. See if my Minecraft character stops spinning around. Alright, I'm going to do that to the other one. And I thank you for watching tonight. I'll do a follow-up later on to see, after they charge, I'll do a little video playing Minecraft with them to see if these will actually work. So thank you for watching, and just think what a better place this world would be if we would treat everyone else like we want to be treated. Have a good night.